As drier air begins to filter into the first coast, we saw it today. We're going to see it over the next couple of days. Our rain chances are going to be on the downward trend through at least Tuesday and Wednesday, and the heat will be on the upswing. Temperature is going to be near the triple digits. But with dry air coming in, that just means it needs a little bit more of an extra boost to become saturated to get any sort of shower or thunderstorm activity. Now, we can't go completely rain-free over the next couple days, so there will be isolated showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, and those likely going to be thanks to the sea breeze, similar to what we saw today. Now, the sea breeze is that cooler air that's just above the, well, relatively cooler ocean, and that rushes inland. When it meets the hot air that is over land, and over the next couple of days, that air will be the temperatures, again, in the upper 90s near the triple digits. It'll force that air to rise just a little bit more than it already is, and that added boost allows the air to become saturated, because when air is forced to rise, it's forced to become saturated as it's forced to cool, and then that's when you get a shower and or thunderstorm to develop. We saw that today. There was only about 1 or 2 showers and thunderstorms on the radar at about 2 o'clock, and it was right at the beach. Let's take a look outside now downtown. It got a beautiful, beautiful evening. Maybe you're out and about at that doubleheader, the jumbo shrimp. Don't worry about lightning. It's all good. If you're out and about, just maybe taking a stroll, we don't got lightning to worry about for the rest of the evening. So that is some good news. There were a couple flashes and a few little splash and dash showers in Clay County and southwestern Duval, but most of that activity settling down through the rest of the night. We just have the heat to be dealt with this evening are still in the 90s. And the real field temperatures are in the upper 90s. This is that theme through the next couple of days. Temperatures will be very stubborn to get out of the 90s, and they'll slowly drop through the 80s through the night. We'll ditch the clouds later on, and we'll be left with mostly clear skies and in the 70s as we wake up tomorrow morning. So another nice, calm, mild, if not muggy morning to start the work week. There goes Barry pumping in the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. Way over here on our neck of the woods, we are seeing that high pressure build in a little bit, so it's just enough dry air to help choke some of that shower and thunderstorm activity. So really only isolated thunderstorms tomorrow for Monday afternoon. Any of those pop up about 4 or 5 o'clock with that sea breeze, and because of the lack of rain chances and that dry air filtering in, look at that real field temperature is going to be at least at 100 degrees tomorrow because our highs going to be in the upper 90s. We could be dealing with a heat advisory by Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons because the real field temperatures, the heat index values, going to be at least 100 to 105 as our high temperatures are in the upper 90s all week long. We'll increase the rain chances later on in the week.